Mobile cellular data is not working on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26, or S26 Plus, and you can't browse the internet even though you have signal. Don't worry, here's how to quickly fix the problem. First, try refreshing the connection. Make sure mobile data is turned on. If it's already on, turn airplane mode on for a few seconds, then turn it back off. This quickly reconnects your phone to the cellular network and often fixes small connection issues. Next, restart your phone. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the Quick panel. Tap the power icon and select Restart. Your phone will reboot and clear temporary system glitches that may be affecting mobile data. If it's still not working, check your data usage settings. Open Settings, go to Connections, and tap Data Usage. Make sure you haven't hit a mobile data limit, and if Data Saver is turned on, try turning it off, since it can sometimes restrict background data. Another thing to check is your network mode. Go back to Connections, tap Mobile Networks, then select Network Mode. Try switching from 5G Preferred to LTE Preferred. Sometimes the phone keeps searching for a weak 5G signal, which can cause data to stop working properly. You can also reset the APN settings. Go to Access Point Names, then tap the three dots in the top right corner and choose Reset to Default. And if nothing fixes it, try resetting the network settings. Open Settings, go to General Management, tap Reset, then choose Reset Mobile Network Settings and confirm. After the reset, check your mobile data again. If nothing helps you out, it's a good idea to contact your carrier since the issue could be related to your SIM or network service. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.